2025 Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation for the reigning candidate for Mayor. May 12 National and Local Bar Parliamentary Election 5/12/25. We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify the oath as duly canvassed, votes cast in 40 cluster precincts, candidates for Mayor. Election held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto, forming part hereof is the statement votes precinct CF number 20-A, garnered by each candidate for the office of Mayor. Thereafter such canvass, it appears that Corelia Michael, PFP, garnered 12,416 votes for the office of the Mayor, the same being the highest number of the votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of foregoing, I hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate duly elected Mayor of Surigao del Sur, San Miguel Province of Surigao del Sur, and witness whereof we affix signature, imprint, thumb marks of San Miguel, Surigao del Sur, this May 13, 2025, 1:57 p.m. Corelia Michael, for Mayor.
Tagadang.
Ikaw may ako magpa-picture na ito.
Hi, brother.
Certificate of Canvass, vote proclamation for the waiting candidate, Mayor Pagyat. Certificate of Canvass, votes and proclamation, the winning candidate for Vice Mayor. May 12, 2025, National and Local Bar Parliamentary Election, 5/12/25. We, undersigned members of the Municipal Board of the Canvassers, do hereby certify oath we have duly canvassed the votes cast at 40 clustered precincts for the candidate for Vice Mayor in the election held May 12, 2025. Attached to the forming part of the statement of votes precinct CAF number 20-A, garnered by 8 candidates for the office of the Vice Mayor. Thereafter such canvass, it appears that Paris Dodong Action garnered 11,721 votes for the Vice Mayor. The same being is the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above winning candidate is duly elected Vice Mayor of Surigao del Sur, San Miguel, Province of Surigao del Sur, and witness whereof we affix our signature and imprint the thumbprint in the San Miguel Province of Surigao del Sur, this May 13, 2025, 1:53 p.m. Paris Dodong Action.
Ayan mga tiniis. Dudong, San Miguel.
Barong ni Papa Bulun. Suruh sa dito.
Sa na dito.
Kasi sa mayor busy sa samputin na.
Oh.
Certificate of Canvass, votes and proclamation of the winning candidates for the member of Sangguniang Bayan. May 12, 2025, National and Local Bar Parliamentary Election 5/12/25. we, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify that under oath we have duly canvassed the both cast of 40 cluster precincts for the candidates therein for the member, Sangguniang Bayan, and the election held May 12, 2025. Attach her to the forming part of the statement of votes, precinct CAF number 20-8, garnered by 8 candidates. Name of the winning candidates. Number 1, Bangoy Celso. Number 2, Yu Melba Hopong.
Sayaw na, ay.
Number 3, Gensu Growth and Number 4, Gascon Rebecca NT. Number 5, Impedra Jodoy PSC. Number 6, Piri Sangking Action. Number 7, Nazi Butchoy Hugpo. Number 8, Lubaton Julius Jr. So, mali na ikaw, Mayor, maguna. Ikan sa Mayor, Vice Mayor. Okay, itaas ko na yung mga kamot para mag-victorial. At ikaw, Vice.
Intero karomata.
Sino yun? Una na SB, Bangboy, Melbayu, Ginsoy. Pwede mag-order kita gamay para no, thank you. The winning candidates for the municipality of San Miguel, Surigao del Sur. Raise your right hand. Right hand ba? Okay, pawid na kantanan. Hands up.
One, two, three, yeah!
Julian ngayon.
Atas ya, Patra ya.
Coach na sila kita.
Picture na sa kamo na maghawid na niyo canvas. Proclamation.
Bais, kembais. Kembais tu ada kan. Bais turun.
Mau kapitan yun.
Kapitan lagi dyan sa ron.
Jadi ako ikaw. Jadi ako. Kalong magpag. Kaya ako kalaban. Isugang kalaban.
Magpa-picture na kami mga Municipal Board of Canvassers. Sa taas kami, nasa ubos kami.
Siapa kumain? Siapa kumain?
Save the one. Okay, one more.
Nakaya ka na kung magpa-picture na din.
One more.
Char, nagpalakas lagi. Nagpalakas.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
One, two, three, last time, last. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tagay na sunod. Pamilya na, pamilya. Pamilya na, sunod, taglakilan.